Hey, so a few of you guys wanted to hear what it sounds like in the car. I understand that, so I'll do a quick sound test for you all in the car. Let you hear a little track that I like. Keep in mind I got the gains on the amp set really low because I'm running the demo power wire, which is not really sufficient. But even with that, with the low gains and the demo power wire, I'll let you hear what it sounds like in the car adding a subwoofer. So if you think that adding a sub isn't going to change the experience that you're having, oh, think again. So check it out, guys. I get a little track going so you can hear it. Start this up. Alright, so yeah, I think you guys get the idea. On an otherwise stock setup, just adding a sub. Yeah, I think that's the way to do it. So I think I'll stop it there. Thanks again as always for watching.